Hello everyone, I am Priyanka Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Mathalite. In this video we are going to continue with the third exercise of rational and irrational numbers. Question number 7. If m is equal to 1 upon 3 minus 2 root 2 and n is equal to 1 upon 3 plus 2 root 2, find m square, n square and mn. Now you have a similar question, okay, question 6 was similar to this. So you have to substitute the value of m over here and then rationalize the denominator if you are having root in the denominator. So let us proceed to part 1. M square. Now m का value is 1 upon 3 minus 2 root 2. m का स्क्वायर है सो द होल थिंग का स्क्वायर हो जाएगा. नाउ आई सेपरेटेड न्यूमरेटर स्क्वायर अपॉन डिनोमिनेटर का स्क्वायर. 1 स्क्वायर गिव्स 1. दिस इज ऑफ द फॉर्म a minus b the whole square. So I'll expand it. It is going to be a square minus 2 into a into b plus b square. 3 square becomes 9. 2 into 3 into 2 is going to be 12 and root 2 will remain as it is, plus 2 का square is 4. Root 2 square is 2. Now 9 will remain as it is, minus 12 root 2 plus 4 2s are 8 हो जाएगा. So it is going to be 9 plus 8 gives 17 minus 12 root 2. Denominator में I have root, so I will have to rationalize it by multiplying by rationalizing factor. Now rationalizing factor इसका हो जाएगा 17 plus 12 root 2. I'll multiply both numerator and denominator by rationalizing factor. 1 into something gives you that number itself, so it is going to remain as it is. Bracket will be 17 plus 12 root 2. This is of the form a minus b, a plus b, a square minus b square. Now 17 plus 12 root 2 will remain as it is. Denominator में 17 square is going to be 289 and minus 12 का square is going to be 144 into root 2 square is 2. (17 plus 12 root 2 upon 289 minus 144 into 2 gives 288. Okay, so I'll get 17 plus 12 root 2 upon 289 minus 288, which is 1. So the final answer is 17 plus 12 root 2. So n square is equal to 17 plus 12 root 2. Now moving on to the second part of the question, n square find करना है. Now n का value is 1 upon 3 plus 2 root 2. तो whole thing का square हो जाएगा. I have n square over here, so I'll square it. Now it is going to be 1 square upon 3 plus 2 root 2 square. 1 square gives 1. This is of the form a plus b the whole square. I'll expand it, so it is going to be a square plus 2 into a into b plus b square. 3 square gives 9. 3 into 2 into 2, so it is going to be 12. Root 2 will remain as it is. 2 का square is 4. Root 2 square is 2. Now 9 plus 12 root 2 plus 4 2s are 8. 9 plus 8 gives 17. 17 plus 12 root 2. I have root over here in the denominator. So I will have to rationalize it. So I'll multiply by rationalizing factor in both numerator and denominator. So 17 minus 12 root 2 is the rationalizing factor. Now 17 minus 12 root 2 into 1 gives 17 minus 12 root 2 upon, this is going to be a square minus b square. So 17 square minus 12 root 2 square. 17 minus 12 root 2 upon 17 square is 289. 12 का square is 144 and root 2 square is 2. Now 17 minus 12 root 2 will remain as it is. Denominator may we have 289 minus 144 into 2 gives 288. So 17 minus 12 root 2 upon 289 minus 288 gives 1. So it is 17 minus 12 root 2. N square is equal to 17 minus 12 root 2. Moving on to the third part, mn find करना है, that is m into n. I'll substitute the value of m and n. m is equal to 1 upon 3 minus 2 root 2 and n is 1 upon 3 plus 2 root 2. Now ये दोनों एक दूसरे के रैशनलाइजिंग फैक्टर है. 3 माइनस 2 रूट 2 का रैशनलाइजिंग फैक्टर है 3 प्लस 2 रूट 2 एंड वाइस वर्सा. बीच में मल्टीप्लिकेशन साइन है, सो आई विल मल्टीप्लाई द डिनोमिनेटर्स. न्यूमरेटर में 1 इंटू 1 गिव्स 1 एंड डिनोमिनेटर में आई विल गेट 3 स्क्वायर माइनस 2 रूट 2 स्क्वायर बिकॉज इट इज ऑफ द फॉर्म a माइनस बी a प्लस बी. नाउ इट इज गोइंग टू बी 1 अपॉन 9 माइनस 2 का स्क्वायर इज 4, root 2 का square is 2. So 1 upon 9 minus 8 हो जाएगा. 1 upon 1 हो जाएगा, that is 1. So mn is equal to 1. Over here it was very easy. You just substituted the values, multiplied them and solved. On solving you got 1. Question number 8. If x is equal to 2 root 3 plus 2 root 2, find 1 by x, x plus 1 by x and x plus 1 by x the whole square. You are given the value of x and इनका values find करना है. So let's start with the first part, 1 by x. Now 1 by x का value is 2 root 3 plus 2 root 2. Denominator में x है, so I'll substitute its value in the denominator. Now दोनों में 2 common है, so let us take 2 common. So we have root 3 plus root 2. Now this is irrational, so I will rationalize it multiplying by rationalizing factor. सो इसका रैशनलाइजिंग फैक्टर हो जाएगा रूट 3 माइनस रूट 2. सो मल्टीप्लाइंग न्यूमरेटर एंड डिनोमिनेटर बोथ बाय रूट 3 माइनस रूट 2. 2 इज रैशनल, सो इसको कुछ नहीं करना है, वी लीव इट एज इट इज. जस्ट इसका रैशनलाइजिंग फैक्टर ढूंढ के मल्टीप्लाई करना है. So 1 into root 3 minus root 2 gives root 3 minus root 2 upon 2 will remain as it is. Multiplying these two brackets, that is a plus b into a minus b, is going to give you a square minus b square. Put box brackets, then root 3 square minus root 2 square हो जाएगा. Now रूट 3 माइनस रूट 2, न्यूमरेटर विल रिमेन एज इट इज. डिनोमिनेटर में 2 इंटू रूट 3 स्क्वायर इज 3 and root 2 square is 2. So root 3 minus root 2 upon 2 into 1. So root 3 minus root 2 upon 2 is the final answer. Now let us proceed to second part of the question. X plus 1 by x. X का value already I am given in the question. It is 2 root 3 plus 2 root 2. So I can substitute its value. Okay. Plus 1 by x. 1 by x का value I already found in the first part of the question. Okay, हम लोग को मिल गया था, that is root 3 minus root 2 upon 2. So it is already simplified. Denominator में root नहीं है. ओके यहाँ पर भी डिनोमिनेटर में रूट नहीं है, यहाँ पर भी नहीं है. द ओनली थिंग इज दैट यहाँ पे डिनोमिनेटर में आई नीड 2 सो दैट आई कैन add these terms, add, subtract, whatever. So for that I'll take LCM. I'll multiply both numerator and denominator by 2. So 2 into 2 root 3 plus 2 root 2 upon 2 plus root 3 minus root 2 upon 2. 2 into 2 will give 4, root 3 will remain as it is, plus 2 into 2 will give 4, root 2 will remain as it is, plus root 3 minus root 2 and common denominator 2. Now root 3 वाले terms check करते हैं. 4 root 3 plus root 3 is 5 root 3. Okay, and 4 root 2 minus root 2, 4 minus 1 क्या हो जाएगा 3, so 3 root 2 upon 2. डिनोमिनेटर में there is no root and already ये simplified है, इससे ज़्यादा simplify नहीं हो सकता है, कुछ भी common नहीं निकल रहा है. So x plus 1 by x is equal to 5 root 3 plus 3 root 2 by 2. Moving on to the third part of the question, x plus 1 by x the whole square. Now x plus 1 by x का value मुझे already मिल चुका है. Okay, simplified value that is 5 root 3 plus 3 root 2 upon 2. So I'll just substitute it. 5 root 3 plus 3 root 2 upon 2. The whole square हो जाएगा because I have x plus 1 by x the whole square. Now I'll solve it. This is going to be 5 root 3 plus 3 root 2 the whole square upon 2 square. Now this is of the form a plus b the whole square. I'll expand it. So it is going to be 5 root 3 square plus 2 into 5 root 3 into 3 root 2 plus 3 root 2 square upon 2 square is going to give 4. Now 5 का square is going to give 25. Root 3 का square will be 3 plus 2 into 5 into 3. That is going to be 2 5s are 10, 10 3s are 30. Root 3 into root 2, square root common ले लूँगी and 3 into 2 is going to give 6. So root 6 plus 3 square gives 9 and root 2 square gives 2 upon 4. 25 into 3 is 75 plus 30 root 6 plus 9 2s are 18 upon 4. I'll just rub this part so that I can solve further. Now 75 plus 18 is going to be 93 plus 30 root 6 upon 4. Now यहाँ पे कुछ भी कॉमन नहीं आ रहा है. I cannot cancel out anything. Denominator already rationalized है. So this is going to be the final answer. So x plus 1 by x the whole square is equal to 93 plus 30 root 6 upon 4.